Okay, so today I'm gonna make a video and I got a little scratchy on my throat. It's because I went and I had a little party and I was with my cousins and we were eating food and as far as I know, and no, I'm not blaming them. This is actually an introduction to my next video is called common cold. How do we get common cold? Common cold or flu. In my case, I'm going to show you something. These little slimes. I get extra now. And look. There's a little blood on them. I know, I'm sorry. Right there. There's a little blood. And please note that this is medical. Oh, look. I got more. Okay? And that's blood. Okay? The reason why we have it, a cold, is because it's preparing. Now, it's prepping my throat. That means the bacteria is already attacking my throat. And it's prepping to go into an overdrive, which means it's going to start to multiply. What I believe, and what I have been done so far, and I have not been sick for the past 6 months, and I will stop this. Yes, I will stop it. I actually have a cure for it. I'm not going to show you in this video because 5,000 subscribers coming up next. I want to make that as special subscribers, and I want to give a giveaway too. So there'll be 2 gives away. It'll be 2 giveaway. One is going to be $100, and 2, it's going to be my ultimate video, which is how to cure common cold. Yup. I found a way to cure common cold. Yes, you heard it right. I will probably the first in the world to how to cure it. You can't stop it. There's no way in this lifetime you will be able to stop common cold. They are, as of today, and we have known for thousands of years, we can suppress the cold, but we cannot cure the cold. I will explain that in my next ultimate video, and I will give that away because I'm saving that for my 5,000 subscribers. But this is just an example of how I got it, okay, and how I believe I got it. One of those people, I ate this at the party. I ate, and that was the only one that I actually touched. I try not to touch any other food, although I'm not blaming them. It's just that that's how the virus work. Somebody touched this, and when I was touching it, I got attacked. Meaning, whoever's at the party carrying either positive or negative cell, one of them is carrying it. And it got onto my throat. And that's how I am able to catch the virus. So now the virus is multiplying inside my throat right now. And that's why I was able to get blood. Because at that area, your throat is the first sensitive area as it comes in. Not through your nose, but through your throat. And that's why we have sore throats. It's because that's where it multiplies. It is the perfect temperature for it to multiply is at your throat. Okay? How to suppress it. We're going to suppress it. We can't get rid of it until it dies. Our body will take over in our body. I'll show you, I'll explain to you all that in the next video. For now, you just need salt. Because I have already passed over that stage, okay? You're going to need just salt. You're going to gargle with salt. Mix salt with water, about 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of water and salt. And you're going to gargle, and this will help you. Because remember, I already have it. I have already contact with the virus. So now my body have to heal itself or kill it. And the only way it's going to kill it, I'll show you all that in the next video. But as of right now, how to suppress it. The easiest way to suppress it is just with salt. Can you use sea salt? Yes, you can. You can use sea salt or you can use iodized salt. Because I have iodine deficiency, it'll be better for me to use iodized salt. But sea salt, why do we use sea salt? Sea salt is actually makes the virus to be harder to multiply. Oops, I have to reach over to show you the sea salt. Since this is a gargle, I'm okay with that, but that's just sea salt. Okay? Just regular sea salt. Get a teaspoon and then gargle with it. That to stop it from multiplying. That to stop it because a lot of virus cannot live with salt. They need regular oxygen, liquid oxygen, but they can't stand salt because salt is too much for them. So they won't be able to multiply. But like I stated before, my stage has already passed that. And I'll explain that in the video. But my stage has already passed that. Now I just have to suppress it. Okay? Anyway, other than that, I guess that's about it on this video. But I will make a new video about how to actually cure it or prevent it. Or to get rid of it fast. There's no cure. Remember, there is no cure for common cold. Because one person carries either the negative or positive, the other person is already carried the negative or the positive, and when they touch it together or when they contact, that's when the cold comes out. So in my case, I didn't get a cold for a long time, but today or this weekend I happened to got it by eating. So it was a contact. Okay, and no, I'm not blaming anybody. I'm just saying that that's how it works. So now the only thing I can do is gargle with sea salt. And by doing that, you're trying to stop the virus from multiplying. And yes, I will teach you all that. It's going to be a long video, and I will teach you all that in the next video. Because, like I said, that is my 5,000 subs special video that I want to give out. I knew this information for about 6 years now, but I have never gave it out. I didn't know what to do with it. Now, I want to be that ultimate video. I'm going to give it out, and I'm going to let people know how to suppress it. Quick, fast, and simple. Okay? But as of for now, if you have if you already have the cold already and it's already passed already, which that is my case because it's already attacked my throat already. That means I have it inside me. The only way I can do is suppress it. And by suppressing it, I am going to limit its growth. Sea salt or regular salt will help it to limit its growth because it cannot live in salt. So we're going to try to suppress it and stop it from multiplying, because positive and negative together, it's going to start to multiply. And that's how people get cold. Okay? So my next stage, I probably get a fever. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to try to stop it before I get into the fever stage. I will explain why we get a fever too in the next video. Not next video, but my ultimate video. Okay? Other than that, that's about it. I will see you in the next video.